In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Pocket Option to bank account. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Pocket Option account. So go to the Pocket Option website or open the Pocket Option app and log in using your username and password. Now look for the withdrawal or withdraw funds option on the platform, and this is usually located in the account settings or dashboard section. Now select bank transfer or wire transfer as your withdrawal method. So this option may be also labeled as bank withdrawal or something similar. Now provide the required information for the bank transfer such as your bank account number, SWIFT code, IBAN, and other necessary details. So make sure that information is accurate to avoid any delays or issues. Now simply enter the amount of money you want to withdraw from your Pocket Option account and make sure it doesn't exceed your available balance or any withdrawal limits imposed by Pocket Option. And simply review and confirm, so double check all the withdrawal details, including the withdrawal amount and bank account informations. Once you're certain everything is correct, confirm the withdrawal request. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.